Hi everyone, and we're back with another review for you. I've been using GPTGo lately, and it has been a game changer for me. So I thought I'd just run you through its technicalities and what are my opinions on it. So first of all, it runs on OpenAI's advanced GPT-3 tech, which boasts a 175 billion parameter model, making it one of the most powerful language models available. With such robust technology, this tool has significantly streamlined my daily tasks. So, without any further ado, let's get ahead with the review. Alright, to begin with, one thing I love about GPTGo is its language support. It covers over 100 languages, whether I'm chatting with international colleagues or researching global trends. It gives me the answers in different languages, which is super convenient. And what really got my attention was, let's say if I am searching something in Italian, for that I'd have to go to the translator and get it translated for you guys. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to ask, what is semantic SEO? So I have the question here in Italian. I'm going to go back, place the question, and run my query. We just wait for the ad to go. We're going to run it one more time. Alright, and there you have it, your answer in Italian. And now when I search for it, I have the queries and all the links given in Italian. I mean, just imagine how convenient that is. If you are to search something in Arabic, it's going to give you the answers in Arabic. If you're to search something in Spanish, it's going to give you the answer in Spanish. So, all in all, it's amazing. If you are a multilingual or bilingual person, or if you have to deal with clients or customers in any way, so this tool is right there for you. Language support is one thing that I love the most about this tool, but of course, as we all know, the dual feature is the highlight and USP of this tool. I'm just going to convert it into English real quick. Come back here, it's converted into English. Alright, so this tool has actually been saving me so much time. When I put up query here, let's say I'm going to go ahead with the same query again. It gives me dual answers because of course it's going to search on Google and GPT itself is answering me. So I'm going to go ahead. What I can do is actually verify if GPT is saying the right thing. Although GPT is 90% always correct. I get the answer here, but if I want to go ahead and research more, I can just open up the links and read more about the topic. If I want more details, it's going to provide me more details, right? So talking about that, I'm going, I'm just going big on research when I'm working on any project. So, and I think if you're here to see the review, you would yourself be a research freak. GPT saves you time on research. You have unlimited access with GPTGo. I can just dive deep into any topic that I want without any search limits, which is awesome for my work. And I've been actually using it to deal with my client's query, and the time that I save, up to 30% of my time is actually saved. So I use that time in more and other productive activities. Maybe sometimes I just interact with my team, sometimes with the marketing, sometimes with sales. There are like 100 things to get done when you're in a business. Also, when it comes to accuracy, GPTGo is spot on. Whether I'm writing, diving into SEO trends, or just, prepping for the reports or, client calls, it always provides up-to-date and reliable information so that I am always updated and always on the go for whatever projects I am working on. Also, I definitely say that GPTGo, the interface is just a breeze, it's not much of big of a deal. You can simply just go ahead and understand what's going on. It's pretty simple for professionals like me and even for students and business owners. In fact, there are studies for usabilities that indicate 75% of users prefer tools that are intuitive and easy to use. And guess what? GPT actually tops the list. However, there's one thing that I absolutely do not like, and that is the ads popping up every few seconds or every few minutes or every time when I'm inserting a query. So let's say I'm on the homepage again. I'm going to write, give me the list of best phones in 2024. It's going to insert the query, and there I have an ad. These ads sometimes can be like a distraction when you're working and you want the results spot on. But other than that, the tool is amazing, and ads are something that we can neglect for the time being, as it's free, as the tool is free, and it's giving you so much value for literally no money. So since the tool is free, they're not really liable for customer support, but GPTGo actually offers customer support via email and via Facebook. So if you have any query, you can just write to them on these given addresses, and they're going to revert back within 24 hours. But to be very honest, I haven't really gotten anything or any bug that I have to go to the customer support, because this tool itself is so self-explanatory and it's so easy to use that just everything combined, it just adds up to the positive experience. All in all, GPT's Go been a game changer for me, as I said, and despite the occasional ads that can be distracting, its functionality is top notch, and therefore I'd give it a solid 4.5 out of 5. Alrighty, this was my take on GPTGo. Let me know if you have used the tool and what are your thoughts about it. Till then, keep exploring and tell me which AI tool you want me to review next.